Hi friends, I welcome you all to my channel CSNet Lectures. So in this session we are going to discuss about another very important topic, that is how to convert from postfix to infix expression. So the way of solving from prefix to infix is same as that of solving this postfix to infix. So here we are going to use the same steps as I discussed in the last video, but the shifting of operators and searching is opposite. Okay, so if a postfix expression is given, you are going to start searching for the operator from left. Okay, so from left you are going to start searching for the operator. So once you have found the operator, stop that operator, stop searching, and then you are going to shift the operator towards right. Okay, so this is the same way of solving, but searching and shifting is opposite, right? So shall we proceed? So friends, so this is the given postfix expression. So we are going to convert this into the respective infix expression. So shall we proceed? Right. So now convert. So as this is a postfix expression, we are going to start searching for the operator from the left. So like this you should have to start searching for the operator. So once you start searching for the operator here, if you see minus is your first operator. So take that. So what you should do? So once you have found an operator, stop the search and you should have to shift this operator this side. That is the side of the nearest operand. So C is an operand, B is an operand. So in between that you should have to shift. You get the answer as A, B minus C plus DE. Write the remaining expression as it is. So each and every step I must have to solve. Okay. Then minus FG plus H minus slash and asterisk. So now you see this is your complete operand. Okay, the expression which we have got now is your operand. So now you are going to proceed with the next step. So again you start searching. So once you start searching, so this plus is your next operator which we have seen now. So what you should do, you should have to start to move towards left. Okay, searching here from left, move towards right. Here left and right. But from prefix to infix, as I told, pre means right. So right, left. So this is left, right. Okay, so now you shift towards right. Okay, so if you shift towards right, this is going to come here, isn't it? So A plus, so now this is your new expression. So put a bracket, then only you will be able to recognize easily. So A plus, so B minus C is already got operand, then close the bracket. So now you see this is your complete operand. Okay friends, so write the remaining expression as it is. So DE minus FG plus H minus slash and star. Can you follow? See, if you see, the way of solving is similar to that of prefix to infix. Can you understand? Okay. So now next one. So now if you start searching from left, so if you see, this is your next operator. Minus is your next operator. So shift towards the left of the nearest operand. So nearby minus, if you see, E is one operand, D is another one operand. I will write it here. So this is one operand 1 and this is your operand 2. So minus has to be shifted to the nearest operand E. So you will get as D minus E. So write here. Okay, so you will get now see A plus B minus C, then D. So this is coming here, isn't it? So put here D minus C. Now D minus C is one expression. So this is going to be as a future operand. Okay, so this is another one operand. Friends, are you all able to follow? Okay, so write the remaining expression as it is. So F, G plus H minus slash and star. Okay, so now we have finished. So once again you start searching from left. So if you go on, see, so this is your next operator. So what is the next operator? plus is your next operator, isn't it? So now we are going to insert the plus operator to the nearest operand of this. So the nearest operand of this is G. So G is operand present next before that of the operator plus. So shift it. So you will get as, write the remaining expression as it is. So A plus B minus C, then D minus E, where you will get F plus G. So this is another one operand. So this is your operand. So this is another one operand. So this is another one operand. Okay friends, can you follow my steps? Okay. Then H minus slash and star. So now once again you start. So once again you start from left. What is the next operator seen? So the next operator you are going to say is minus. So this one. So where you should have to shift that operator. So shift that operator to the nearest operand H. So here it will come, isn't it? Here you shift it. So you will get the answer as A plus B minus C, D minus E, F plus G minus H. Okay, as this is your operand 1 and this is your operand 2, isn't it? So put a bracket here. Now this whole expression is going to be your an operand. So this is one operand which you have got already, isn't it? So this is another one operand. Okay, so now the remaining one is slash and asterisk. So this we must have to solve the next one. So now once you are going to start searching from left, so what is the next operator you are going to find? So slash is your next operator. So where you should have to shift? You must have to shift towards right of the next operand. So here this is your operand 1 or 2. Okay, so this is another one operand. So nearest operand is this complete expression. See, this is your complete expression. So to the right of that operand you should have to shift, isn't it? So where it will come? Here it will come. Okay, so now add A plus B minus C, then D minus E. So this is your operand. So this is another one operand, isn't it? So put slash here, slash F plus G, then minus H. So now this whole one is your operand, complete single operand. So put this bracket and mark it as operand. Okay friends, so the remaining is asterisk. Friends, are you all clear how to insert the operator in the respective position? Okay, so keenly watch each and every step, correctly notice or correctly note down where you should have to insert the operator and then you insert it. Okay friends, so shall we proceed? Right. So friends, as there is no space, I will write it here. So what is the last step? So once you are starting to search from left, asterisk is the only single operator which is being left out. So you must have to add it to the nearest operand. So this is your complete operand. So this is your complete operand. So take the operator and add it to this nearest operand before. So to the left, add it here. Okay, so here you are going to insert the operator. So you are going to write the step. So this is your operand 1 and this is your operand 2. Okay, so now I will write A plus B minus C, then here only you should have to insert, isn't it? So this is your operand and this is your operand. So star, sorry, asterisk D minus E slash F plus G minus H. Okay friends, so this is your respective expression. Friends, are you all clear? So this is the way you should have to solve if whatever problem is being asked. Okay friends, so you should have to practice and see the same question. You please practice and see. So once you have been familiar for solving this, I think so whatever question is being asked in this format, you will be able to solve it within a fraction of time. Okay friends, and thank you. I request you to share and subscribe my channel so that it will be very beneficial for me. And I also request you to give your feedbacks in the comment section, whether it is positive or negative. No problem, I am there for rectifying myself. Bye friends.